What if I told you there's a budgeting system so simple you can set it up in 15 minutes, and it automatically builds wealth without you thinking about it ever again? No complicated spreadsheets, no tracking every single purchase, no feeling guilty about buying coffee, just 3 numbers: 50, 30, 20. This is the 50-30-20 budget rule, and it's used by millions of people to go from paycheck to paycheck stress to automatic wealth building. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what 50-30-20 means, how to calculate your 3 numbers in under 5 minutes, the biggest mistake people make with the 20% that costs them hundreds of thousands of dollars, and how to automate the entire system so it runs on autopilot. This is personal finance that actually works. Let's break it down. Here's the problem with traditional budgeting. Most people try to track every single dollar, every coffee, every gas fill-up, every grocery trip. They download apps, they save receipts, they spend hours categorizing expenses. And after 2 weeks, they quit because it's exhausting. The 50-30-20 rule is different. You only track 3 categories. That's it. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings and wealth building. 3 categories, 3 percentages. Done. This system was created by Senator Elizabeth Warren when she was a bankruptcy professor at Harvard. She studied thousands of families and found this split creates financial stability while still allowing you to enjoy life. Not too restrictive, not too loose. Perfectly balanced. And here's the best part. Once you set it up, it runs automatically. Your money flows into the right places without you making daily decisions. This is money management on autopilot. No willpower required. No constant monitoring. Just a simple system that builds wealth while you live your life. Sound too good to be true? Let me show you exactly how it works. First category, 50%. Needs. These are expenses you cannot avoid. If you don't pay them, you lose your home, your transportation, or your health. Rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments. Notice what's not on that list. Netflix, dining out, new clothes, gym membership. Those come later. Needs are survival expenses, the things that keep a roof over your head and food in your stomach. Here's how to calculate your 50%. Take your after-tax monthly income, multiply by 0.5. That's your needs budget. Example, you make $4,000 per month after taxes. 50% is $2,000. That's your needs budget. Now list your actual needs expenses. Rent $1,200. Utilities $150. Groceries $400. Car payment $200. Insurance $100. Gas $150. Minimum debt payments $200. Add them up. $2,400. Wait, that's more than $2,000. Your needs are over 50%. This is the most common problem, and it tells you something critical. You're either overspending on needs or your income is too low for your lifestyle. Solutions? Get a roommate to split rent. Move to a cheaper place. Refinance your car. Increase your income with a side hustle. Or temporarily adjust the percentages until you can get needs down to 50%. But here's the goal. Get your needs to 50% or less. Because every dollar you free up from needs can go to wants or wealth building. And this is where most people make their first mistake. They call wants needs. Is your car payment a need? Only if you need the car for work. That 15-year-old Honda? Need. That brand new truck with a $600 payment? Want. Is eating out a need? No. Groceries are needs. Restaurants are wants. Is your apartment a need? Yes. But the luxury apartment with a pool and gym when you could live somewhere cheaper? That's partially a want. Be brutally honest with yourself. Needs are survival. Everything else is a want. Get your needs to 50%. Then we move to category 2. Second category, 30%. Wants. This is everything that makes life enjoyable but isn't required for survival. Dining out, streaming services, hobbies, vacations, new clothes, entertainment. Gym memberships, the fancy coffee, concert tickets. This is your fun money, your guilt-free spending, your life enjoyment budget. And here's what makes the 50-30-20 rule brilliant. You get to spend 30% on wants. You're not supposed to save every dollar. You're supposed to enjoy life. Calculate your 30%. $4,000 monthly income? 30% is $1,200. That's $1,200 per month to spend on whatever makes you happy. No guilt. No tracking every purchase. No justifying your coffee. As long as you stay within $1,200, you're good. But here's the psychology most people miss. Wants are infinite. You can always find something else to buy. Another subscription, another gadget, another night out. The 30% cap forces you to prioritize. What do you really want? What actually brings you joy? Maybe you realize you have 6 streaming services, but only watch 2. Cancel 4. Save $40 per month. That's $480 per year for wants you actually enjoy. Maybe you're spending $300 per month dining out, but only truly enjoying half those meals. Cut the mediocre restaurants. Keep the great ones. Save $150 per month. This isn't about deprivation. It's about intentional spending. Spending on wants that actually make you happy. And here's the magic. When you cap wants at 30%, you automatically create space for category 3, the category that actually builds wealth. Most people spend whatever's left after needs and wants, usually 0. Sometimes they go into debt. The 50-30-20 rule flips this. You pay category 3 first, then live on what's left. Which brings us to the most important category. Third category, 20%. Savings and wealth building. This is the category that changes your life. This is how you go from broke to wealthy, from stressed to secure, from paycheck to financially free. 20% of your income. Every month. Automatically, before you spend on anything else. $4,000 monthly income? 20% is $800. That's $9,600 per year. That's $96,000 over 10 years, before any investment growth. But here's where it gets crazy. If you invest that $800 per month in index funds averaging 8% annual returns, after 10 years, $147,000. After 20 years, $470,000. After 30 years, $1.1 million. You contributed $288,000. The market turned it into $1.1 million. That's $812,000 in investment growth. That's the power of the 20%. That's compound interest. That's wealth building on autopilot. But most people make 3 massive mistakes with their 20%. Mistake 1. They save it in a regular savings account, earning 0.5% interest. That $800 per month? After 30 years, it's $302,000. You lost $800,000 by not investing. Mistake 2. They skip it when money gets tight. Miss 1 month, then 2, then 6. Suddenly, the 20% disappears, and they're back to paycheck. Mistake 3. They don't automate it. They plan to manually transfer money at the end of the month. But there's never anything left. Here's how to do it right. Automate your 20% the day you get paid, before you see the money, before you can spend it. Set up automatic transfers. Paycheck hits your checking account. Same day, $800 automatically moves to your Roth IRA or investment account. You never see it. You never miss it. It just happens. This is saving money on autopilot. This is wealth building that requires 0 willpower. And here's what happens. After 2 months, you forget the $800 even existed. You live on the remaining 80%. Your lifestyle adjusts. And your wealth grows automatically. This is how millionaires are made. Not through huge salaries, through consistent 20% savings over decades. Let's put this all together with a real example. Meet Alex, makes $4,000 per month after taxes, $48,000 per year. Old way? Alex spent everything: rent, bills, food, fun, debt payments. End of month, zero left. Sometimes negative. Credit card debt growing. New way. 50-30-20 rule. 50% to needs. $2,000. Alex cuts rent by getting a roommate. Saves $300. Refinances car. Saves $100. Total needs now $1,800. Under 50%. Good. 30% to wants. $1,200. Alex cancels unused subscriptions. Saves $60. Cuts dining out from $300 to $200. Saves $100. Total wants now $1,040. Under 30%. Still enjoying life. 20% to wealth building. $800. Automatically transfers to Roth IRA on payday. Invests in index funds. Never touches it. Result: Alex lives comfortably, enjoys life, and automatically saves $9,600 per year. In 5 years, $58,000 saved. In 10 years, $147,000. In 30 years, $1.1 million. Same income, different system. Life-changing results. This is financial education that actually works. This is money management that builds real wealth. Here's exactly how to set this up today. 5 steps, 15 minutes total. Step 1, calculate your after-tax monthly income. Check your last paycheck. Multiply by number of paychecks per month. That's your number. Step 2, calculate your 3 percentages. Multiply by 0.5 for needs, 0.3 for wants, 0.2 for savings. Step 3, open a high-yield savings account or Roth IRA for your 20%. Fidelity, Vanguard, or Ally Bank. Takes 10 minutes. Step 4, set up automatic transfers. The day your paycheck hits, 20% automatically moves to your wealth account. Use your bank's automatic transfer feature. Step 5, live on the remaining 80%. That's it. Your budgeting is done. No daily tracking. No complicated spreadsheets. No guilt about spending. Just 3 categories. Automated. Done. And here's what happens over time. Your income grows. Your needs stay flat or shrink. Your 20% grows. Your wealth compounds faster. You get a raise? Don't inflate your lifestyle. Increase your 20% to 30%. Now you're building wealth even faster. This is how you go from broke to wealthy, not through deprivation, through a simple system that runs automatically. Here's everything you need to remember. 50-30-20. 3 categories. Automated wealth building. 50% to needs. Survival expenses only. Keep it lean. 30% to wants. Enjoy life. Guilt-free spending.